Jeep registered trademark is taking its legendary 4x4 capability to a higher level for current Wrangler and Gladiator vehicles with an upgraded Jeep Performance Parts 2-inch lift kit from Mopar that includes specially tuned Bilstein 46mm monotube shocks with remote reservoirs. The new Bilstein shocks complement increased ground clearance and larger wheels and tires by offering consistent fade-free performance in all conditions. In addition, a self-adjusting deflective-disc valve reacts instantly to surface changes, giving the driver maximum control. Remote reservoirs increase oil capacity for greater heat dissipation, while a unique swivel banjo fitting allows for a 360-degree rotation of the flex hose for direct fitment while protecting the reservoir oil line from contact. The new bolt-on JPP lift kit is easily installed in stock mounting locations with no extra drilling needed. Included in the new JPP lift kit are 4 springs, 4 Bilstein shocks with remote reservoirs, front lower control arms, front and rear stabilizer links, front and rear bump stops, assorted fasteners, and the JPP badge. The kit is specially packed in a custom, reusable wooden crate branded with the JPP logo. The new JPP 2-inch lift kit is available for 2018 model year and newer Jeep Wranglers and 2020 model year and newer Jeep Gladiators. U.S. manufacturers' suggested retail price is $2,095.